Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know, guys. Hello everyone, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know, guys. Fine, there's no issues. That's great. So, how are you guys? Is everybody all right? Please let me know. How are you guys? Is everybody all right? Please let me know, guys. Hello, everyone. Hello. That's great to see you again. I was on a VFX. How are you? You already said that you are all fine. Okay, that's great. Okay. Great, guys. Amazing, amazing. So, how was your day, guys? Your voice is so slow. Is voice a problem with everybody, or is it just a problem with Uber K vlogs? Is voice a problem with everybody, or it's just a problem with Kuba K vlogs? Could you guys just let me know that? No voice problem? You guys are able to listen to me carefully? Okay, that's great, guys. Amazing, amazing. Okay, so great. So let me know, guys, how was your today's day? Like, did you guys do something productive? Did you learn something new today, or like it's the exact same thing that is currently going on? Shantanu, Nagvika, whatever the case is, if you guys have attended the class, whatever I've said right over there, what I've done right over there in the class itself, that is what is there on day 6 back in boot camp. Okay. I'm good at attending how to get editing, how to get a job. Famous Baba, that's great that you're good in editing. Try to take up some freelancing gigs, try to showcase your works on Behance and on YouTube. Start applying to different startups and companies that are currently looking for editors on LinkedIn, on Internchala. Start approaching people on LinkedIn, some of the YouTube based startups that are there who have their own YouTube channels or who are like trying to create their own YouTube channel, try to offer them your services, give them a quotation for your services itself. If they are able to learn about it, like if they are interested in it, then they will offer you something. Okay, that is what my suggestion to you would be. Okay. Anubhav Singh Rajput, please upload Netflix Clone Part 2. Anubhav, like I have kept it for another boot camp in the future. Okay, in the future, I will be having one more boot camp on Netflix, and there I'll be uploading it. Okay, so I've thought that we'll be having another boot camp where we'll be learning to create that particular part of the project. So that is the reason why I prevented from updating it right now. Even when I am low each day, attending your lecture gives me into productive mood. That's great to hear, Orzon. Okay, I hope that continues in the future, even if you're not able to attend the boot camp as well. Okay, will we get certificates for attending today's lecture? Yeah, so if you are attending it completely, then yes, otherwise not. So is DSA required as a full stack developer? Yes, if you want to get placed in a good company, no matter whether you are applying for a data science or software testing or software engineering or full stack, front end, back end, you will require data structures and algorithms right over there. Okay, there is no other options. Okay, so can you guys let me know how many of you are coming to a boot camp conducted by DevTown for the very first time? Please let me know. Can you guys let me know in the live chat how many of you guys are coming in for a boot camp that is being like conducted via DevTown for the very first time? Like this is the first time that you are actually watching me. Okay, so I'm trying to pay DevTown full stack developer course fees, but I can't pay. It shows some error. No issues in that. What you can do is that you can contact me on LinkedIn. Okay, I have my LinkedIn profile down in the live chat, like in the description of the video. You will be able to find my LinkedIn profile. Just contact me right over there, and I will help you guys out with the same. Okay. Okay, we need AWS plus DevOps. When will you start? Right now, I don't have any plans for the same, but yeah, maybe in the future, I will definitely start that as well. So what happened to day seven backend development with JavaScript and Node.js? So actually, I was traveling. I think so. I told you guys that I will be traveling from Mumbai to Bangalore. So today I reached Bangalore and I have been traveling the entire day. So I wasn't able to take up the boot camp. But tomorrow at 7:30 we'll be having the boot camp. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. So what happened to your hair? I think so. In the flight, it got crushed, so that is how my hair is looking like right now. I'm having trouble scanning the attendance. So, is there any alternate way to submit our attendance? Currently, no. That is the only way. So, we can't message you in LinkedIn without premium. Okay, so I don't think so. That should be the case. What you can do is, let's assume that I'm opening up LinkedIn right over here. I'll just help you guys out. So, if so, you are not able to message somebody directly, let me just search for it. Okay, let me just search for it. Let me just search for a particular person. Let's take up Amitesh itself. If I'm not able to message him directly, I can do one thing. I can send a connection request itself to them. Okay, so let's take up Varsha S. Okay, I'm just taking up a normal person. Okay, so you click on more. Okay, you will be able to see a connect option right over there. Connect option. You can click on that will connect option. If you're not able to see it right over here, just click on more. You will be able to see a connect option. From that, click on it. Okay, add a note and you can specify what is your problem right over there. Okay, so whatever my problem is, I can just specify right over there and then I can click send. I don't require a premium for this. You can send connections to as many number of people as possible, like as you are able to see right over here. Okay, so he has sent me a connection request along with a small introduction to what he wants to connect me for. This is a good thumb rule whenever you are sending a connection request to somebody on LinkedIn. It shows that you are actually interested to connect with them, okay, to understand more about them or to increase your own personal portfolio with other people's as well. So always never send a connection request empty handed. Always try to make sure. So for example, right over here, Mihir Vora, so he has sent an amazing connection request. Hi Shaurya, I really wanted to connect with you. I visited DevTown site and it's really amazing. Would like to know more about it. Hope to see you on the other side. So this particular type of connection request, it becomes easier for me as well to reply back to them, to try to understand what they are currently doing, to help them out with their problems as well. So this is a small suggestion that I have from my end. The rest is totally up to you guys. Okay. So for back in day six, you don't have any attendance, guys. Okay, so back in day six, you don't have any attendance. So are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know. For back in day six, you don't have any attendance, guys. Okay. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. I will come back in a second or two. Give me a second. I'm just coming back in a second or two, guys. Okay. You guys back. Okay, I am so sorry for this, guys. Okay, so your cat. Actually, I'm in my office right now. If you guys want, I can. I think so. I can move you around the office a bit. Do you guys want to go and explore the office? Please let me know. So, कहाँ चले गए थे आप? So, I actually went out to bring my Naruto. So, I was feeling alone right over here in the office. I went to bring my Naruto right over there. So, this is my Naruto. There's somebody in my room. Okay, so let's do one thing. If you guys want, let's do one thing. Tomorrow I will go live on LinkedIn. Sorry, or live on Instagram. So on Instagram, we have a DevTown account. The link for the same is down in the description of the video itself. So if you go in the description of the video, you will be able to find a DevTown's account right over there. So tomorrow I will be going live via that particular account. So this is the profile that we are having, devtown.in. I'll be going live 2 times, tomorrow and day after tomorrow. I will show you guys. I want you guys to meet our CEO. So our CEO is a international woman. Okay, so we are a woman-led organization, and she's from Scotland, and she's like pretty fine. Like she's very beautiful and very beautiful. Okay. So she's from Scotland. So I would like you guys to meet her as well. Her name is Susie. She's a golden retriever. So she's the CEO of our company, Chief Entertainment Officer. We have two siblings under her. We have Lucy and Oscar. They are from Egypt. They have two Persian cats. One is a white cat and one is a black cat. So there are two Persian cats as well. Yeah, now I feel as if I'm a very lonely person, but yeah. So if it's possible, I will definitely go live tomorrow, and I want you guys to meet them as well as I will give you a tour of the office. So it's not that great, but yeah. So DevTown is a very small office. We just have a few people working for us, some designers, some developers, some people in the operations team. That's it. Because we do this on part-time basis, so we actually don't have a lot of time in the office. So yeah, so that was a small introduction about DevTown. Okay. Okay, so let me know, guys, any questions. So today I'm here to answer questions itself. Whatever questions that you are having related to anything that you want to ask. Okay. Whatever you are. So the first question that I'm able to see is, sir, where you belong from? Okay, so they deleted it. Okay, I will answer that then. Okay, so how to start a freelancing journey? Arun, so in our training program, we make sure that the students, so we train the students. So freelancing is a particular stuff where you are the only person working for a particular project. Okay, you don't have a team, you don't have a particular company, you just have one person who has to handle an entire project itself. So in that particular manner, you should be able to create, you should be able to work with front end, you should be able to work with back end, you should be able to work with cloud computing services, you should be able to handle DevOps, that you are able to, and you should be able to do a bit of designing. For designing, I think so you guys should use the website Dribble. Okay, I know I'm a very shitty designer. I'm a good coder, I'm a good programmer. I can code any website that you want, but I know I'm not very strong with designing. Okay, even like if you look at me, if you look at my clothes, you will be easily able to understand that he wears clothes that looks like his father's. So like that is the reason why I know that design is not my strongest pursuit. So I use a website called as Dribble, Dribble, three B's. Okay, Dribble, Dribble. Okay, inside of Dribble, let me just log into the website itself. So once I have logged into it, for example, this is a financing website that somebody has created right over here. So you can follow somebody else has designed the websites. You can create these websites using the technologies that you know, and you can take inspiration. See, do not copy it exactly. Take inspirations from these designs and use them. That will be my first suggestion. So no matter if you're not a good designer, you should be a good developer. Okay, so start a freelancing career from there, develop some projects on your own, some production level projects of some of the practical like applications, practical startups that are currently there. Once you have done that, okay, once you have developed some projects on your own to a production level, post it up on websites like fiverr.com, freelancer.com, all these kind of websites that are there, Upwork. Once you have posted it up right over there, okay, try to get some clients. Keep your initial amount that you're charging less, so that you're able to get some initial clients to work for them. Once I've got some like 2-3 clients, then you slowly and steadily increase your prices up till the point where you are comfortable with what you are charging. Okay, so that will be my suggestion to you. uh so tomorrow we'll be discussing about the project, right? No, we will be doing the project. So discussing about the project, we don't need to discuss about it. We'll be creating the project. So please have a bootcamp on ML, complete ML and DL, research paper making with implementation for the same. Harsh, so I have personally published 3 research papers. Each of these research papers took me 6 to 8 months to complete. So it's impossible to actually teach complete. First of all, it took me almost a year to first learn machine learning and deep learning completely to be good at it. Because I had to do everything on my own and I was fucking distracted all the time by my friends, by my some projects, by some hackathons, or something was going on in my life and it distracted me. So it took me a lot of time to actually learn machine learning and deep learning that I could have done in 2 months. But to implement and create a research paper, I can guide you in that because I have experience doing that. But it's literally impossible to do it in 7 days. It takes almost 6 to 8 months to actually develop a good quality research paper. Okay, I'm talking about a good quality research paper itself. That's great, Shivani. It's excellent to see you guys here as well. Okay, so how to get placed in Google, on which skills we have to work mostly there. See, whatever company that you are joining, whether it be Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Flipkart, no matter which company you are joining, whatever you are going to do there, it really doesn't matter at all. Okay, how to get there? It's actually pretty simple. Focus upon your data structures and algorithm skills. Focus upon your computer programming skills. Okay, and you need to be good at Code Forces. So Code Forces is a free platform to practice computer programming. So it is the highest level of computer programming that you can actually do. So try to be good at that platform if you want to get. So we got like 7 students selected in Google every single month at 60 lakhs per annum. So each one of them were like grandmasters in Code Forces. So you also have to be the same, and it will take a lot of time. So try to do that as well. Okay. What is the balance between Node.js and PHP? PHP is like an old man, just like your grandfather. Okay, uh, they just exist, and Node.js is like the young generation that we currently have that earns money, that is able to get something done in their life. So right now, job opportunities in PHP is almost nil. Okay, none. But in Node.js is the highest right now. So I will be suggesting you guys to learn Node.js. Okay. So do you teach computer programming in your courses? Of course, we teach data structures and algorithms, computer programming. We teach cybersecurity. We teach data science. Okay, we teach machine learning, deep learning, AI. We teach full stack development. So all this we teach right over there. Okay. How to get internships in full stack development? Like I said, Arun, it's the exact same process. Create good projects, work in DSA and CP, apply to different companies, get selected by DSA and CP, showcase this your skill sets in web development out there, and you will be able to get the internships. Okay. How to develop responsibilities to learn by overcoming laziness? Oh shit, man, that's a very like hardcore question I was able to see right over there. So see, my suggestion to you would be set up alarm clocks, set up timetables, focus upon that. No matter what the fuck is happening in the entire world, even if it's an earthquake that is happening, you shouldn't be differing from your timetable. If you have set a timetable, follow that to the core. I think so that should be more than sufficient for you guys. How to have a good resume and CV? By actually working on projects, by actually participating in computer programming platforms like CodeChef, CodeForces, LeetCode, practicing data structures and algorithms. Once you have done that, try to do some trainings and internships, try to do get some experience under your belt. That is what I will be suggesting to you guys. Okay. Yes, Akshay Shoni, of course you will be able to get. Please connect with me. Okay. So we'll be able to help you guys out with something like that as well. Do not worry about it. If you're a total beginner, then where to start from? Start with C++ and Java. Learn these 2 languages. Move towards data structures and algorithms, lead code, and CodeChef. Be good at it. If you have practiced in lead code and CodeChef for almost 1 year, switch to code forces so that you are able to prepare for Google interviews as well. Along the same time, you should also be working on some small ass projects, okay, in full stack development or data science, whatever field that you choose. Okay, that is my suggestion to you. What are the skills needed to join MAANG? I've already said that. I will just tell you why is once again data structures and algorithms, computer programming, and projects. These are the 3 things that you require at any particular company. Okay. How to apply in Google, Microsoft, and Apple. For Apple, I'm being very clear with it. Nobody can apply. Okay, especially you guys cannot apply. They hire only from 4 colleges in India. Okay, IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, I think so, Triple IIT Hyderabad, and ISC Bangalore. They're the top 4 colleges in India right now, and they hire just from these colleges, nobody else. Freshers cannot even apply off campus as well. Off campus placements for Apple in India is not there. If you want to get into Apple, you need to get into some good companies first of all. As a fresher, you need to work there for at least 1, 2, 3 years, earn good bucks. Then you will be able to you can connect with some recruiters at Apple, and if they give you a chance, you can get into Apple as well. Okay. So, what is your best time to learn coding? So, if you're asking what time, as in the daytime, I used to code early in the morning and late in the night. So, I used to wake up around like 4 in the morning on some days. Like there were two timetables that I used to follow depending upon if there is examinations or not. If there are no examinations, I would like code from 4 in the morning to 7:30 before I was able to take off for the like college itself. I didn't used to have my bath. I just brushed my teeth. I would just face wash it like just like normal college boys do in college itself. I used to code in the morning. I will come back from college in the evening. It's about 6. I will sleep for 3 hours and then I will code once again. That is how I usually have like handled it when I was in college when there was no examinations. If there are any kind of examinations that are currently going on, then at that point of time I will be focusing much more upon your like the college exams, and if I'm able to take out 1 hour of the day, I will take it out for your computer programming. That's it. Why don't you take batches for those internship courses? They are so good and easy to understand by you. Shani, I used to take up some of the batches, but because of my job, so I am already working as a software engineer. And because I have to take up the boot camps, I have to take up some career counseling sessions, I have to guide some students along the way. I have to handle 95 different colleges that we are currently have partnerships with. I have to deal with 36 different companies that are currently hiring with us. So I'm actually super stretched out between all these things. I rarely get time for myself, so I'm not able to take up the boot camp like batches for right now. But we have excellent instructors out there from great companies who are taking up the batches. So I don't think so there should be any problem. So I'm an astronomy and aerospace enthusiast. How can I use my programming skills? Okay, into aerospace field. Horizon, I'm actually not very familiar with the aerospace field in general, but I will definitely research about it. I'm able to see that you are joining a lot of boot camps in the future. When I have some answers for you, I will definitely tell you guys about it as well. Okay. DevTown, as a fresher, how much lakhs per annum can I expect, and which skill should I develop to get high lakh LPA? Okay, so Venu Gopal, the maximum that our students are able to get is in Google, that is at 60 lakhs per annum based in India, not in abroad. 60 lakhs per annum as their salary. The second highest was in Microsoft. So 7 students got in Google at 60 lakhs per annum. 9 students got in Microsoft at 48 lakhs per annum. The average placement that we were able to get in full stack web development for almost 1020 students, 1020 students, the average placements for full stack web development that we were able to get was 13.9 lakhs per annum. And the average package that we were able to get for the data science students was around 13.2 or 13.3 lakhs per annum. That was the for data science students. So like I can even show you guys the graduates as well, as you are able to see on my screen. These are the current batch graduates that we are having. We got students placed in Microsoft, Accenture, Google. So we got students placed in Geo, Samsung, Amazon, Gap, Flipkart, Oracle, Infosys, Deloitte, Cognizant, and many more. So that is how we hire placements and everything. Java, CPP, which one should we prefer? So it's a personal choice. I prefer CPP. Okay, that is my personal choice. C++. Then which company are you currently working? So Fab, I currently work in Personal, and yeah, so I'm a software engineer there. I was initially working in Google. Personal offered me almost 50% more than what Google was offering me, so I immediately shifted to Personal. It's always about the money when you are working as a software engineer. Okay. Super programming, sir, which is best course? I'm not able to understand the question, but if you're asking for programming, the best course, you can join DevTown at all times. Okay, you can join any of the training programs that we are having. You don't have to worry about it. So if I join the DevTown course, will I be able to get placed as well by DevTown? Because currently I'm in second year of BCA. Saija, Praveen, we are placing 1,000 students every single month. Every single month. We are placing them in first year, second year, third year, fourth year. We are placing students even after they have completed college as well. So you don't have to worry about it. That is our lookout. And the only suggestion that I have is the early that you are able to start, the more better we will be able to create your portfolio, and you will be able to get a better package as well. For all the 7 students that were there who joined Google, all seven of them were joined us in the first year itself. Similar to that, the students who were in Microsoft, like some of them were from commerce background, some of them were from MCA background, some of them were from BTech background, some of them were civil, chemical, mechanical. So these companies hire everybody. Anybody who has the right skill set and knowledge, they are easily able to hire it. So in which language you teach the full stack development? Of course, in English, if you are asking about the mode of communication. But if you're asking about the language, as in the programming language, then it will be JavaScript as the main language. See, the choice, there are multiple choices out there. What you have to choose is which particular choice has the highest package and the most amount of placements available. That is the MERN stack: MongoDB, Express, React.js, and Node. And that is done in JavaScript itself. So that is the choice that I will be making for you guys. Okay. Does CRED interviews follow the same skills and process as the MAANG interviews? Yes, of course. Every single company does, because they don't have any other options. Also, does 60 lakhs per package in Google means the enhanced salary or CTC? It's CTC, not enhanced. None of the companies give you enhanced salary as that. Enhanced salary out of 60 is 34 lakhs per annum. Okay. Thank you so much, Shivani. CSE freshman year goal is full stack web development, currently learning web development. What should I next 4 years be? Give me a rough idea about the languages I need to learn in the given time frame. Thank you. So life at stake. Okay, nice name, by the way. I like the username. You need to understand one thing, that it's not just about how many languages that you know. If you are choosing full stack web development, the number of languages that you need to know is just 2. Can you guys believe that? Just 2 languages. One is the language that you're going to use for your for your data structures and algorithms and computer programming. Choose between C++ and Java, one of these languages. And the second language will be JavaScript. That's it. So that will be your pathway. You have to do both CP and DSA, as well as full stack web development. In full stack web development, focus upon front end, back end, DevOps, as well as cloud computing as well. Okay. Which language is preferable for DSA to join product-based companies? Like I said, choose between C++ and Java. Choose between C++ and Java. Okay. What are the important things that we should focus on our colleges, especially artificial intelligence and machine learning? Okay. So for getting placements in data science, okay, as a data analyst, data scientist, data engineer, AI, ML engineer, all this kind of stuff, you need to focus upon statistics, SQL, Python. You need to focus upon your machine learning algorithms. There are 18 machine learning algorithms and 6 deep learning algorithms that you need to focus upon. So let me do one thing. What is your current CTC? My current CTC is almost, like, I cannot disclose it exactly, but it is equivalent to like a Mercedes-Benz E-Class. So I cannot disclose it exactly, but like approximately it is equivalent to that. Okay, so let me show you guys something that I've created for you guys. If you guys are interested in that, I hope that you guys will be able to enjoy it. Because I haven't downloaded or something. Like, I thought I had downloaded it. No issues. I will just open up the Canva once again. So I will ask my teammates to share this with you guys. I've created a syllabus for data structures and algorithms, as you are able to see right over here. For those guys who have no idea what to do in DSA, what topics to study, which type of questions do you need to solve, I've created this syllabus for you guys. You can go through the syllabus as well. It is an extremely detailed syllabus on every single topic that you need to learn, along with questions that you need to solve as well. As you're able to see, trailing zeros, two sum, triplet sum, move zeros, zero sum, equilibrium index. I've mentioned every single question that you need to do to learn data structures, algorithms, and computer programming in its entirety. Okay, so I've mentioned everything right over here. I will be asking my team to share it with you guys. Along the same as well, for those who are interested in full stack web development and data science as well, I've created two more syllabus in exactly what you need to learn. So for full stack web development, what are the different things that you need to prepare yourself for? So data structures and algorithms, web development fundamentals, as you're able to see right over here. Then you are having your React, okay, what you need to learn in React. In backend web development, what are the topics that you need to learn in backend web development? What are the topics that you need to learn in DevOps and cloud computing? And some example projects as well, so you guys are able to understand which kind of projects that you require on your resume to make it as a freelancing gig or get into a great company at a good package as well. Like I said, the our students are being trained on the exact same syllabus, and the average placement for 1020 students was 13.9 lakhs per annum, with the highest being 48 lakhs in Microsoft and the lowest being 9.2 lakhs. That was the lowest salary that was offered for full stack web development. Similar to that in data scientist as well, if you guys are interested in AI, ML, data science, data analyst, data engineer, then I've mentioned all the syllabus right over here as well. You guys also need to prepare for DSACP. You cannot avoid that. Okay, if you want even want to get placed as a software testing or in software engineering as well, you have to follow the exact same syllabus. So what you need to learn in Python, I've messaged it. Sorry, I've provided it right over there. Some example projects as well that you can work on. Statistics, okay, example project right over there. Data analysis, example projects right over there. Then you are having SQL for data analysis, again an example project right over there. Data wrangling process, all the different topics that you need to learn. 18 machine learning algorithms, all the 18 machine learning algorithms that you need to learn right now. So I mentioned that as well. Some example projects, because we cannot share the projects. So up till now, whatever projects that I mentioned in the syllabus, our training program students also work in the exact same projects itself. But for the machine learning and machine learning part, because we get our projects directly from companies, so we have partnership with 36 different companies that are there. So you guys must have seen that as well. These are the 36 different companies that hire 800 students from us on a monthly basis. So Microsoft has 9 students, Google has 7, Amazon has 9, Gap has 12, Samsung has 15, Geo has 21, Flipkart and Walmart has 40 students from us, Oracle has 16. So all these two companies provide us their own projects to train our students on. So because of our NDA, non-disclosure agreement, I cannot tell you guys about those projects, but still I have mentioned some good projects that you can take into consideration for machine learning algorithms. Now for deep learning, there are 6 algorithms that I've mentioned right over here. I mentioned all the projects that our students work upon: mind quality test, Emojify, Jarvis, language translator, YouTube sentiment analysis, music generation. So you guys can follow the syllabus. I will be sharing all these 3 files with you guys on the WhatsApp groups so that you guys are able to follow this according to the same as well. Okay. Before, yes, we provide students with both internships as well as PPOs, depending upon how well they have performed in the training and internship. That is how we work. You don't have to worry about it. Okay. What is better, a few years direct job or after graduation, or graduation directly for post graduation outside country? It's always better to get a job. There's no doubt in that. Okay. Always better to get a job itself. Okay. Yeah, I will be sharing the syllabus on the WhatsApp groups itself. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, guys? What do you think about the Odin project? If I'm not wrong, that is for Ruby on Rails. Okay, please correct me if I'm wrong. But I think so Odin project is for Ruby on Rails. It's okayish. It's not that great because Ruby on Rails is not that in demand right now. But for freshers, so I will still suggest go with MERN stack itself. Okay. So really placements are true because I joined the full stack program recently and learning. That's great, Rishi. I hope that I'll be able to see your name on the website as well very soon. Okay. Okay. Now my back is also paining a bit. Do you have demo classes? Mr. Existence, you can attend any of the boot camps that we have via DevTown at any particular point of time. You will be able to understand how our instructors teach. But for the training program, the classes go on live on Zoom calls every single day for 3.5 months. That is how we have the classes. And after the class, we have our doubt sessions. You can sit with the instructors and talk to them. So our instructors, if you are familiar with them, these are our instructors who teach in our training program. We have people from Google, Amazon, HP Porsche, McKinsey and Company, Morgan Stanley, American Express, Goldman Sachs, Oracle, Cisco, Sony, Microsoft. So all these are our instructors that are currently there to teach in our training and internship programs. Every one of these instructors is amazing. The 36 different companies hire 800 students from us on a monthly basis. Along with that, these instructors provide our students with referrals from various different companies, the companies that they are working in, the companies that their friends are working in, and the rest of the 220 students, we get them placed through them. That is how we handle our placements as well. Thank you so much, Rutja. I hope that you are enjoying, okay? And I hope that you guys will be able to understand it and do well in that. What's the fees of your full stack development course? See, the point is that we are a non-profit organization, but we have to pay our instructors. I cannot spend my hard-earned money that I have by working in these companies in the morning and paying the instructors. Wouldn't be able to do that. Due to that reason, we charge like so these instructors charges 5,700 rupees per student, okay, for one batch. So the cost with 18% GST on top of it comes down to 7,500 rupees for the entire 3.5 months of training. So that includes your resume building, GitHub, LinkedIn optimization, that includes mock interviews, that includes your DSA, CP, that includes C++, Java, it includes your front end, back end, DevOps, cloud computing. Okay, so everything is included in that. Along with that, so entire 3.5 months, the charge is 7,500 rupees. One of the batches is going to start from tomorrow onwards itself. I understand many of you might be having some examinations or something like that. So, for example, if you are joining the batch from tomorrow onwards, okay, you don't have to worry about it. Let's say that after 1 month your exam starts and you're not able to continue any further, just inform the instructor. We'll shift you to the next batch. You don't have to worry about it. You guys are always our first priority. Okay, always our first priority. So tomorrow the new batch is going to start. If you guys are interested in that, it would be great if you guys are joining us. It will be great to see you guys out there as well. Okay. Can you have combo packages? So actually, Mr. Existence, we don't believe in the fact of earning money. We are not here. Like I said, 5,700 rupees we pay to the instructors, 18% to the government. That's it. That is what we do. So what we have done for you is, let's assume that you are taking up the full stack development program. Let's assume that you are taking up the full stack development program. It's a live program on Zoom every single day. So you get the class recordings as well. But at the end of the program, when you're leaving us, we give you the class recordings of computer programming, data structures and algorithms, full stack development, C++, Java, which is done in the program itself. Along with that, we give you the recorded lectures for data science. Okay, we give the recorded lectures for cybersecurity as well. Because, like I said, we don't believe in making money. If I'm already making a lot of money, a shit ton of money from my software engineering job, and I'm very happy with that. I started DevTown with just one aim in my mind, that when I was in college, I didn't have something like this. I tried to find something like this in the internet, and the lowest cost that I was able to find was 3,50,000 rupees via Scalar Academy. My tuition fees was less than that for my college. Okay, so it does not make any sense. That is the reason why I started DevTown. I wanted to make a platform where students were able to learn everything. The students were able to get placements. The only prerequisite for the program is that you should be able to understand what I am currently speaking. If you are able to understand my language, if you are able to understand my English, that is more than sufficient. If you don't even know what programming means, you don't have to worry about it. Everything will be taught to you guys in the program from the utmost scratch, from the utmost basics. So that is how we handle everything, guys. Okay. Where is the placement or referral part comes into picture? Do you guys refer or do you have connections with companies? So we have connections with 36 different companies that I've already shown to you guys. Okay, these are the 36 different companies that directly hire. So we have partnerships with them to hire 800 students from us directly every single month. So we have mentioned the number of people that they hire from us every single month as well. The rest 220 students that we have, they get placed through our referral programs by our instructors. That is the reason why we have instructors who are teaching you every single day live in the classes, who are from great companies, so that it's easier for us to give you guys referrals from various different companies as well. We take in an input of 1,080 students every single month. That is the number of students that we take in every single month. Out of this, 950 students that we have are from our partnership programs with 95 different colleges. So we have partnership programs with 95 colleges. They provide us 10 students every single month to train. So that is 950 students directly from colleges itself. And the rest 130 students that we have, 120 to 130, that we take up to, like, just if you guys are interested in that, you want to participate in that, so we allow them to be a part of this. Otherwise we only take it from colleges itself. That is because nobody, see, now on our website, if you're going up and checking the price, it will show you 10,000 rupees, because we don't want you guys to come into the program itself. Actually, what we want is that we want to make sure that you actually, like, are willing to work hard, because our instructors will be giving their 200%, our operations team will be giving their 200%, but the student needs to give their 100% at least. So that is, we will give our best. Okay, if you guys have any problems, like you have an exam or something, we'll make sure that you are shifted to the next batch, or studies are not hampered with it. We are having the classes live every single day, so it's not even like, so other companies, what they do is they will have like 5 days of recorded classes and then 1 day of live class. We don't want that. We want you guys to interact with your mentors, so that your mentor is able to know a little bit more about you, and they're able to give you guys referrals as well. We have classes every single day live. We try to make sure that you guys are able to get every single thing from C++ to Java to data structures and algorithms to competitive programming to aptitude preparation as well, to mock interviews, because we have to place you guys up when you're going out of the program. We have to place you guys up on a silver platter, make you look especially shiny and everything, and give you guys to these recruiters, because we cannot hamper our relationships with them. So that is the reason why we have such amazing people working for us. Okay, so that was a small introduction about it. Like I said, the cost of the program is 7,500 rupees for the entire 3.5 months program. Okay, to Microsoft, Amazon, you need full stack developers. Every single company needs full stack developers. There's no company on planet Earth who does not need a full stack uh like developer. So at which age did you start your journey of coding? So I don't remember the age, but I was in 10th standard when I was first introduced with coding, and I hated it. From the bottom of my heart, I hated it. It isn't my passion. My passion is teaching, actually. But yeah, coding gives you a lot of bucks. Okay, it gives you a lot of money. Okay, freshers are able to get, like, my first salary was 24 lakhs per annum. That was my first salary, and as an intern itself. And when I joined my first company in Reliance, I was earning 60 lakhs per annum. So the point that I'm trying to make is there's a lot of money, and especially, like, and these companies do not care. So we got people from commerce, we got people from MCA, BCA, MSc, BSc, we got people from maritime engineering and merchant navy. These are not even related to like, we got people from civil, chemical, mechanical, placed in companies like JP Morgan and Chase, Goldman Sachs. EC student got placed in Goldman Sachs. We had people from metallurgy who got placed into Microsoft. We had people from civil chemical who got placed into Microsoft. We had people from merchant navy, that is not even a BTech subject. Okay, it's some totally different, who got placed into Amazon as a front end engineer. The point is, these companies are actually looking forward to people with the right skill set and knowledge. They don't care about which particular batch you are from or what you are currently doing. Okay. Prashant Kumar Prajapati, I hope that you are able to see the pinned comment in the live chat that will answer your question. Okay, Prashant Kumar Prajapati, please look at the pinned comment that I've pinned up in the live chat, guys. Okay, if I want to learn MTech, then how to join IIT Delhi for joint Apple? Prasad Joshi, prepare for your MTech exams. That is the only thing I can say for that. And it's good that you're aiming high for Apple, but if you're not able to get into Microsoft when you were doing your BTech, I don't feel that you will be able to get into Apple when you're doing your MTech. Okay. See, the point is, I am not a very, like, dreamy person. I like to stay in the reality. I like to see statistics and take up my answers. That is the job of an engineer, according to me, especially a software engineer. So if you were not able to achieve Microsoft when you were in BTech, the chance of you getting into Apple is even more slim. That is, like, see, like I said, that I'm not discouraging you. It's great that you're having such a good aim, but I think so you should be at least be able to get into Amazon or Microsoft right now if you're aiming for Apple at a later point of time. Okay. Is it 3 months enough to cover full stack developer? So we have trained actually 5,000 students up till now. Out of that, we have placed 4,800 students. That is our placement ratio in the past 1 year. So you guys will be easily able to see that yes, the training program gets over in 3.5 months, not 3 months, 3.5 months. That is the time that it takes for us. And yes, it gets over pretty great. Okay. Yes, we teach aptitude as well. Okay, logical, verbal, all this we teach. Okay, because it is essential because some of the companies actually ask that. Okay, so that is. So I wanted to ask you guys, like I said, the batch for full stack development as well as for data science is going to start from tomorrow onwards. Can I get to know, like I think so I have 7 seats remaining in either of them. Can you guys let me know how many of you guys are interested to join that? Could you guys let me know? Please do let me know, guys, so that I'm able to understand like if you more of them are needed, if more of you guys want to join the training and internship program, then I will have to think about something else. Okay. Will I get full stack development course as well if I get myself ML along with aptitude once as you mentioned? Yes, you will be able to get that. How many of you guys are interested? Just let me know in the live chat so that I'm having some idea about it. Please let me know. Yes, Aragdeep Mishra, you can do that. Okay, it would be great to see you guys out there. Okay, it will be amazing actually to see you guys out there. Let me do one thing. I will provide you guys with a WhatsApp number. Please don't call on that number. Nobody picks up that call. It's just a WhatsApp number that we have set up for you guys. Those who are interested for that, just message me right now on the WhatsApp number. After this class, I will sit there. I will go through all those messages, whatever your doubts are, whatever your concerns are. If you want to join, I will ask you some questions, okay, so that I'm able to rectify if you are a good fit for the program. I have only 7 seats available right now, but yeah, if you are interested in that and I feel that you really are interested, so we will definitely take you into the program. It will be great to see that as well. Let me share the WhatsApp number with you guys. So for this is only for those who are interested. I'm giving you guys 5 minutes. Okay, uh, I'm sharing the WhatsApp link with you guys. Give me a second. Give me a second, guys. So I'm sharing the link in the live chat, guys, for those who are interested to join the program. Only for those who are interested to join the program. Okay. Just message on this. I'm giving you guys 5 minutes. I'm sitting right over here itself. I will be answering some more questions. If you guys are interested to join the program, because the program is going to start from tomorrow onwards only, if you guys are interested, just message on this particular link, WhatsApp link right now, and we will be helping you guys out with the enrollment process. Is Java included in your full stack developer course? So what will be included will be C++, Java, data structures and algorithms, competitive programming. This will be taught to you guys via Ritik Kumar. He is currently working in Google. He has previously worked in Hasden. He is the world top 100, not India, world top 100 on both lead code and code chef. He will be teaching you guys C++, Java, data structures, algorithms, and competitive programming. Along with that, you will be taught aptitude preparation from a particular person from HCL Technologies. So verbal, logistic, logical aptitude preparation will be done by that. You will be having your full stack web development. So that will include front end, back end, cloud computing in AWS, and DevOps right over there. The stack that we'll be using will be MAANG stack. We'll be teaching you guys freelancing as well. We'll be teaching you guys about your in mock interviews, how to create your LinkedIn, GitHub, and resume, so that we are able to provide you guys, okay, provide you guys to these companies. So that is a small introduction about the entire program. For those who are interested to join the program itself, they can message on this particular WhatsApp number that I provided you guys in the live chat. Those who are messaging on this particular number right now, could you guys just update me right now that okay, I have messaged on this number, so I'm able to understand it. So still did not get the access to cybersecurity course. So what happens is once the entire program is over, 3.5 months is over, then we provide you guys the access. For example, you have enrolled in the full stack program. So then we provide you the access to data science and cloud computing, because we don't want you guys to be like, yeah, acha, I'm doing full stack development. Okay, I've got the access to another course. I'll start doing that as well. Do not fluctuate your minds. The entire training has been built in such a way that in 3.5 months you are ready to get into any company. So I don't want you guys to get distracted in the middle. So entire 3.5 months is done. Then we provide you guys the access to cybersecurity as well as for data science. For the timings for the classes will be in the evening after 7 p.m. only, because all the instructors are currently working at these companies. So the classes cannot go in the morning, and you guys are also in colleges, I hope so. That is the reason why we have classes only after 7:30 in the evening. Okay, 7:30 in the evening, guys. For those who have already texted on this number, guys, for enrolling into the program, please let me know in the live chat so that I'm able to understand about it. Okay, that you have messaged, because I don't want to waste your guys' time as well. Okay. So what about backend bootcamp? Our course is not completed. We didn't get any project work. Atharva Tyagi, I was actually traveling from Mumbai to Bangalore, so I was not able to have the class. Tomorrow at 7:30, we'll be having the class as well. Okay. Is the syllabus taught same for earlier batches too? So we have introduced aptitude preparation this time. For the first time, we have introduced aptitude preparation as well. Early on, aptitude preparation was not there. Okay, so those who want interested, but I'm in first year. Like I said, Anushka, the early, so all the 7 students who got placed into Google, they joined us in the first year itself. The early that you are able to join us, the better your profile will be able to build. Okay, so that is the reason why I'm suggesting that the early that you are able to join, the better placements you will be able to get as well. Okay, so like I said, those who are interested into the program, because the batch is going to start from tomorrow itself. If you're interested into the program, just message on this particular WhatsApp number and we will help you guys out itself. Okay, this full stack development dying because of AI. Arun, that is not true. If that was the case, I wouldn't have said that 1020 students got placed in full stack development at 13.9 lakhs per annum at an average package, and highest package of 48 lakhs per annum and lowest package of 9.2 lakhs per annum. If full stack development was dying, that would not be the case. Okay. Will there be a new program for full stack development course? Rishi, there might be a new program from the 1st of December, but you don't have to worry about it. So, for example, if you're joining the batch from tomorrow onwards and you feel that, okay, no issues, I'm having some exam or something, just let the instructor know. We'll shift you to the next batch. You don't have to worry about it. The point that I'm trying to make is start as early as possible, guys. Okay, start as early as possible. Okay, can you guys can you give reference material, study material for blockchain, solidity, and Web 3.0? See, one of the biggest misconceptions that, so we had a training program in cybersecurity as well. We removed it. Okay, I had a training program in cybersecurity as well, where an instructor who is a cybersecurity expert at Google, a Hall of Famer at Google, he was our instructor in the cybersecurity program, ethical hacking and cybersecurity. We had another program that we were currently developing in blockchain. We had already had partnerships with 36 different companies. Okay, we approach them. So first of all, whenever we create any program, we develop the syllabus and everything. Then we approach different companies to make sure that they are hiring from us, and only then we make that particular program public. Now, every single one of these companies, every single one of these big companies told us one thing, that if you want a particular student to get hired in maybe Web 3.0, blockchain, solidity, or you want to get it hired in ethical hacking or cloud compute, sorry, ethical hacking or cyber security, they need to have at least 2 to 3 years 2 to 3 years of experience working in a company as a full stack engineer or a backend engineer. Only then they get chance to apply into an entry level position in blockchain, Web 3.0, solidity, or your ethical hacking. So for those guys who have a misconception that I am a fresher and I will be able to get into these companies, if it's a hobby, it's good. Keep it as a hobby itself right now, but as a fresher, as a particular person who is currently in college, please do not do that. Okay. where what are the real life projects we are going to make in full stack development course. So Nikita, the project that you guys will be working upon, the two major projects I will be telling you guys, there are many minor projects as well. The major projects will be a Book My Show clone. So the Book My Show application that you're currently using on your laptops and your mobiles, you'll be creating the exact same clone using MAANG stack, and you'll be deploying it on AWS. So you'll be creating the front end using React, the back end using Node.js, MongoDB, and Express, and you'll be deploying it on AWS itself. The second biggest project that you will be, the biggest project that you will be making would be the Zomato clone, the exact Zomato application that you guys are currently learning, okay, currently using. You will be creating that from the utmost scratch, okay, the front end, the back end, you will be deploying it on AWS, and you'll also be taking it up to production level by using Docker, Kubernetes, and CI/CD integrations. So you will be creating an entire arsenal, like an entire industry level project out there that you can, and we help you guys. So think about it. What is your Swiggy, Zomato? It's just basically Zomato itself. What is your Ola and Uber? It's like Zomato for people. What is your companies like Zepto or Swiggy, Instamart? These are basically Zomato for your groceries. So all these companies are doing the exact same thing, just a little bit of back end changes, little bit of front end changes, and you are able to get a new freelancing gig easily. So this is how we basically take it further. So for those who are interested into the program, I provided you guys the link to the WhatsApp uh, chat. You can just click on this link, message on that particular link that you are interested, and our team will be connecting with you and will be helping you guys out with the same as well. Okay. I'm an artificial intelligence and data science student. So what should I probably work on? Full stack development or data science? So I will be suggesting, if you are already learning data science, I will be suggesting you guys to learn data science itself. If you are not, if you're not comfortable with that, then go with full stack development. Okay. Do we also get certificate after 3.5 months of internships? Yes, we actually give you guys a training certificate as well as an internship completion certificate. Along with that, we give you guys some other certificates as well. I cannot publicly say it, okay, but you will be getting some internship certificates via some big companies as well that will be arranging for you. Like I said, we have our partnership programs with different companies, so we'll be arranging some internship certificates as well for you guys via some big named companies. So that is also something that we do. Our main goal is to make sure that you guys are like able to achieve everything that you want. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. Mr. Existence, like I said, you guys can watch the bootcamp videos to understand how our instructors teach, and you will be able to understand it. Okay, can I do web development course as my 8th sem 6 months internship? Nikita, if you are joining right now as well, if you're completing the program properly, if you want, we can issue you the certificates according to the time that you want, as well as for whatever time that you want it to be specified for. So you don't have to worry about it. We handle all these kind of small things for our students because we work for the students itself. It's not the other way around. So whatever you guys want, we'll always do it for you guys. Okay. Okay, so now for those who are interested to join, and the best thing about the entire program is once you're completed with the program, we give you guys 7 extra days at the end where you will be learning React Native. Okay, so that after learning front end development, back end development, cloud computing, DevOps, you are able to create Android apps, you are able to create iOS apps, you are able to create watch OS apps, you are able to create TV apps, you are able to create AR VR apps, you are able to create web apps as well. So that is how like you will be able to do everything, because we want to make sure that you're, even if you want to choose freelancing as your career opportunity, then you are able to exceed on that. Okay. On YouTube, you only teach, we don't get to experience others. Mr. Existence, right now, Sahil Rahman, one of the other instructors as well, is currently teaching. You can watch his video. Aditya is also going to teach one of the upcoming boot camps. You can watch his video as well. Like I said, mostly I teach because the instructors, they get paid to teach. I don't get paid to teach. I love to teach. So I just take up the boot camps on my free time. But these instructors, we need to pay them so that they are teaching. So to conduct free boot camps, it's very impossible for us to convince them. But Sahil and Aditya have always helped me out with the same when I'm not able to conduct boot camps. So you can watch those videos and you can see that. Like I said, Sahil Rahman is currently taking up a boot camp right now on our YouTube channel. So you can watch it right now itself. So you don't have to worry about it. Okay. No issues in that. Let me do one thing. For those who are interested into the program, you can just message on this particular WhatsApp number, and I will be helping you guys out with the same. I'm a student of commerce. You have seen many companies asking for CS or IT degrees. What is your opinion about high-paying jobs without a degree? So in Microsoft, 9 students that we got them placed, 3 of them were from commerce backgrounds. 2 of them were from BSc and MSc. And CSEIT is just one person from CSEIT. Okay, so yeah. So I'm a graduate. Can I join this course? Of course. If you are ready to work hard, we will like you guys are really welcome to work. Okay. So can you please tell once again the prerequisites for full stack development? The only prerequisite for the full stack development program is two prerequisites are there. There are two prerequisites. It's very simple. First, you should be willing to work hard. Secondly, whatever I'm speaking right now, if you are able to understand my English, there are the only two prerequisites out there. Because we are training you guys for internships and placements. So we need to make sure that your communication skills in English, because the training program will go on in English itself. So I want you guys to make sure that you guys are able to understand what I am able to say, because we will be training you guys in English. Rest, I don't even care if you know anything about programming. If you don't know anything about programming, we will be teaching you everything from the at most basics. So you don't have to worry about it. Okay. Tell us about the students who have already graduated. So these are some of the graduates that we have posted on our website. As you are able to see right over here, we have Vyakala, we have Divyangi Sohli, Barik, we are having Tanmay, we are having Dev, so Das Gupta. So all these people have been placed in this particular batch. So this batch of like 60 students that we had. So these are the results for the 60 students that we got placed right now. I hope to see your name in the future right over here as well, and it will be great. Okay, so like I said, if you guys are interested, just message on this particular WhatsApp number, and we will be helping you guys out. In the meanwhile, I'll be showing you guys the attendance link as well. Give me a second, and I will be showing you guys the attendance link. So the attendance link, I'm sending it to you guys in the live chat. You can just click on the attendance link and fill it up. Okay. So I'm posting the attendance link in the live chat right now, guys. So good laptop is needed for this program. For data science, you don't even require a laptop. For full stack development, I will suggest to have a laptop. But even if you're not having the laptop itself, our instructors will help you to do the entire program through your mobile phone using platforms like Replit. Okay, there's a platform called as Replit, and we will be helping you guys out to set it up. So even if you don't have a laptop, we will be helping you guys out with the same. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. We understand it. Even when I was in college, I didn't have a good laptop. I bought my first laptop with my own money that I used to earn using freelancing work that I used to do. So the point is, like, we will be helping you guys out with the entire thing, so you don't have to worry about it, guys. Okay, so I'm giving you guys the can we apply for courses in May 2023? Be Bewful. See, my basic concern is do not waste time. The early that you are able to apply, the better we will be able to create your own like portfolio itself. We'll be able to get you guys some freelancing work, some internships, some job opportunities, and slowly we'll be building your profile up better and better, so that when we are sending you to Google, okay, there your profile shines from the rest of the crowd. That is what we aim for, and that is how these 7 students also got placed into Google. Okay, January first week I want to apply. Can I do that? See, you can pre-book your seat for any batch that you want. Okay, so for pre-booking any seat, we take up a charge of 1,000 to make sure that that seats remain for you, so that we are not allotting it for anybody else. When the program comes up, you can pay it at a later point of time as well. You don't have to worry about it. So just to make sure that your seat is booked, you just have to pay 1,000 rupees. That's it. The rest you can pay it whenever you want to join the program. You don't have to worry about it. Like I said, the live posted the link of the WhatsApp number. Whatever concerns that you want to join the December batch, want to join the January batch, what is the process for that? You can just message on that particular WhatsApp number itself, and we will be helping you guys out with the same. My certificate is still named Shape AI. Will it still be valid? Of course, Gokul Raj, it is still valid. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, so I'm sharing the attendance link right now in the live chat. You guys can go ahead and fill the attendance link as well. Okay, please fill it up on time, guys, and I hope to see you guys in the future, maybe in tomorrow's class, or maybe in January's batch, or in December's batch. I hope to see you guys out there, and I would really want you guys to be featured on our graduates page. So our graduates page gets updated every 15 to 20 days whenever a new batch passes and they have got their placements. So I will really want you guys to be featured right over there. It will be amazing to see you guys out there as well. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. We'll meet again tomorrow. And if you guys are in the 7 day backend development bootcamp, we have a project scheduled for tomorrow 7:30. So we'll be meeting right over there. Otherwise, maybe in the future boot camps or in the future training programs. Okay. So thank you so much, guys, and have a great day ahead. Thank you, guys. Thank you.